Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you my sewing space and how to organize the things near the sewing machine and what are the things I have and what is the purpose of that, and even I am going to share the details about my sewing chair. Let's move on to the video. So this is the chair I use for sewing. So first I bought this chair actually. So this will not work out for everyone because what happens is, so I started having the hand pain and neck pain because we can't adjust the height for this. Each person will have different height proportion. So when you buy this height adjustable chair, you will not have any neck pain. So if you are a continuous sewing person, you'll get a back pain. Without backrest, you don't buy any chair. Okay, so here you can see there will be a curve which will give you the back support. And I bought the chair without armrest because I'm not convenient with armrest. If I want to move around, I can just quickly move around. So that's why I bought this chair without armrest, height adjustable with backrest. So yes, before going to this items, I thought of sharing you a small tip in this video. So this is the dress, maxi dress I'm going to stitch next project. So whenever I'm going to stitch any dress, what I do is I do the laying cutting and just organize the complete fabric which I need to stitch on the tray. So we won't miss any pieces from this. That's why I thought of sharing this tip with you. Okay, so I use a industrial machine here, Jack A to S. Okay, so this is an advanced version of F4 machine. You might have heard about Jack F4. So A to S is the advanced version of F4 machine. So what is the advanced feature this machine has is you can adjust the lights here. So you can adjust the lights according to your lighting. And the main feature in this machine is auto lock. You can see a small keypad like kind of thing here with the display. So you can adjust the speeds, and this machine is having auto thread cutter, auto locking system, initial stage, and when you are ending you'll give lock stitch, right? So everything is like automatic. You can just fix it here. And one more thing, like when you want to stitch a label, like if you're having any label, you'll be stitching the label along with the garment. So based on the label width and length, you can just adjust here and fix the length and width permanently to stitch any label in your garment. And there are few more advanced features also which I have not yet explored. I'm just using the basic one, like speed adjustable and locking system and automatic thread cutter. So yes, that's the basic feature about this machine, and there are few more features which I have not yet explored. Once I have started trying that, I'll give you the review about this machine. So I will organize my basic needs like this in a tray, very close to the machine like this. So yes, along with this machine we'll get a tray like this. So which will not be like, I am not convenient with this because this will be very tight. Immediately if I want to take any things from this outside, sometimes it will get stuck. So I don't use this. I preserve only the long screwdriver. Very rarely I used to take that. So only that is there inside this. So I just kept a tray like this. So immediately if I want anything, I can just grab it from here. So before that, you can see a scissor here. So along with the machine, I used to keep a scissor which is 8 number. Basically for laying cutting we use 10 number. That big scissor is not needed here. So only few items we used to cut here, fabrics. So I use 8 number here, small size, and thread cutter. I have a measuring tape here. This is a back stitch lever. I just hang it here because we have other option for back stitch here. So I don't use this much. I use it for measuring tape hanging. And this is my magnetic tray to hold the seam ripper. This is seam ripper which is very mandatory when you are sewing. So if we go wrong, we have to remove, right? And this is pearl pin which is very important. We have to keep it when we are sewing. And next, so I used to have the piping footer because so the normal footer, maximum the footer what I change is piping footer. So I just keep it handy here. And one more thing is, this is I'm not sure about the name of this, but I bought it from AliExpress. So this is used to pull out and make the sharp edge when we want to make a bow or any piping. So when using this, we can just pull out and make the sharp edge. And I have few marking chalks here. And these are the bobbins for the project. For next sewing project, I just bind the thread and keep it like this. If you are using any multicolors for one fabric, I just take all the colors, bind it like this, and I preserve it. And what I have in this tray is scale. Okay, so after marking, when we are starting the stitching, sometimes the line will disappear. So to make the lines again, I have a small ruler here, and screwdrivers to change the footers, small screwdriver to change the needle, and this is loop turner for a piping. or dory, and this is a small loop turner, and I have a marking pencil here and hand cream. So yes, these are the small basic items which I have near my machine. And here you can see I have few needles. One is for hemming and the other needles are for dory making. So I just, this is a cushion kind of thing. So I just pierce it here like this. And on top I have the Salwar canvas. This can be used for belt also. So these are the small things I just organized to make my work simple. Hope you all like this video. If you have any comments to make, write it on the comment box. We'll meet you in next interesting video. Bye bye.